Welcome back. I'm Terry Conrad with Bloom True, and this is Mindful Mondays. This is your time to relax, refresh, and renew through guided abstract watercolor painting with me. Let's set an intention for our painting together. Something that you want to feel, to experience, or even simply to be present with the process. And then quiet your mind, drop your shoulders, relax your body, and release any stress you feel your body holding on to. And then invite your inner artist to come out and play. Give yourself a moment to breathe. Inhaling, exhaling through your mouth, and just feeling present. Let's look at the supplies we're using in our painting session today. I have a selection of brushes, a Prismacolor pencil, the Kuretake colors that I've selected, some Posca pens, oil pastels, and an indigo color of acrylic ink. And I will be sharing all of the product details down below so that you can use those and paint along with me, or just watch the session today, save this, and come back to it another day if you want to use these same colors. Let's begin. I am using a 9x12 watercolor pad. It's 100% cotton watercolor paper, which for me personally is just something that I prefer versus a mixed blend of paper. And I've got it taped off ahead of time in equal parts, and when we're finished, I want to have two finished pieces of art. And I'm beginning by activating my page, lightly drawing some lines, just whatever feels good and appropriate for you. And next, I'm going to take this Rake brush. The bristles are dry. I have not wet the brush yet. And I'm dipping it into some titanium buff and applying it to the paper. And this is intended to be a very transparent, almost recessed color or pigment on the page, and it will draw the viewer's eye in once we're finished with the piece, because ultimately it will be in the background. Next, I'm taking, I think this is a number 6 round, might be a number 10 round Princeton brush, and I'm using the darker of the two blues that I've chosen and going to mix that pigment with water just so that it's a very saturated and again somewhat transparent layer that I'm placing on top of the titanium buff. And I'm just rolling my brush. I'm holding my brush very loosely. I'm being very present with my experience, splashing the paint and letting the painting be what it wants to be. From this point, I'm going to go ahead, as I typically do, and take a step back, quiet my voice, and invite you to paint along with me. These sessions, Mindful Monday sessions, are designed to ease stress and promote our emotional clarity. Um, it really does help process our emotions when we sit down and enter into the practice of creative expression. It helps us build trust and resilience, and it even cultivates our confidence as we learn something new or become more proficient at something that we've already been practicing. So enjoy your process. And before we close, I'll pop back in and share a little bit more. Enjoy.
Strange how my heart beats to find myself upon your shore. Strange how I still feel my loss of comfort gone before. Cool waves wash over and drift away with dreams of youth.
Now that I've applied my acrylic ink, and likely you have as well, I'm taking a step back and allowing a moment, letting myself breathe, letting my painting breathe, and letting it convey to me what it is, what it might be feeling, what it might be needing. And for me, as I observe, I see that I want to come back in and add some more marks, something that's a little lighter, and that's where this Posca pen comes in. I'm just adding some small marks, and I'm choosing consistency with my mark making with this one color on both paintings. Remember, we're making a pair of paintings here, and that's why the overall sheet of paper has been taped off. We'll be trimming those in half when we're finished. And the consistency with the mark making again allows the eye to move around the painting, and it allows the viewer to discover new things each time they look at the painting. Turn your painting and make those same marks, but in a different direction. Here we've got vertical and horizontal.
Strange how I falter to find I'm standing in deep water. Strange how my heart beats to find I'm standing on your shore.
And there you go. You have two brand new abstract paintings to enjoy. I hope that you found a moment of inner peace and ease for the stress that you may have been feeling. This is designed for your creativity and to be a safe place to nurture your creative expression. Follow me at bloom_true on Instagram, and the best way to support me is to subscribe to my channel here and leave me a comment and give me that happy thumbs up down below. Thanks. Be well.